In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite SEO tools. The best part, every single tool in this list is 100% free. I'm Susan Wu. I help startups turn for high rankings and more traffic. And if you're looking for tools that will help you get higher Google rankings, you'll love this video. Keep watching. The first tool on this list is called ckeywords.com. Most keywords research tools work the exact same way. Enter a keyword into a tool and get a list of suggestions. The problem with this approach is everyone types the same exact keywords into these tools. No wonder most keywords are super competitive. That's where keywords comes in. Helps you sidestep this problem. Instead of pulling keywords out of thin air, you actually ask customers how they find you online. Then you use those keywords in a traditional keywords research tool. For example, let's say that you run an online flower delivery e-commerce site where you use keywords to create what's called a scenario. Basically, you ask people how they would search for what you sell. Then send a scenario to people, and if you like me, you will be surprised at the response that you get. Finally, put the term that you find into your favorite keyword tool, and you will find some untapped keywords that your competitors don't know about yet, which leads us to a second free SEO tool, Siteliner. Now, I didn't include separators on this list because it has a name kind of sounds like Terminator. Although that didn't hurt. With that, here's how this tool works. As you probably know, search results change dramatically depending on where you are and devices that you are using. And this tool helps you check out the search result across different locations and devices. All you need to do is specify your devices and locations, and you'll see exactly how result will look for someone searching from that locations using that device. Pretty cool. And now it's time for our third SEO tools, exploding topics. You probably already know that finding new trending keywords and SEO goldmine at a simple math. If you target an old keywords, that's gonna be more blog posts, articles, YouTube videos, and content in general that you have to compete with. But when you target new keywords that are trending up, you get in early before the search results get super competitive. The question is, how do you find these new trending terms? Well, you could use Google Trends. But the issue with Google Trends is that you already need to know what you are looking for. In other words, Google Trends is great for confirming a trend on keyword that you already know about, but it's not really helpful for coming up with new trends and topics. Enter exploding topics. With exploding topics, you get a list of new trending keywords presented to you on a silver platter, and the tool has a database of trending topics across several different industries, including health, fitness, marketing, fashion, consumer product, and more. Moving right along, our next free SEO tool is called LSI Graph. You've probably heard of LSI keywords before. They are basically words and phrases that are closely related to your main keyword. And when you include these terms in your content, Google sees your content as comprehensive, which can give you a nice little ranking boost. For example, let's say your target keyword is Star Wars. LSI keywords for Star Wars would be things like Luke Skywalker, Jedi, Princess Leia, and Millennium Falcon. So how do you find LSI keyword? A very cool free tool called LSI Graph. Just enter your target keywords into the tools and you will get the list of LSI keywords that you can sprinkle into your content. Pretty cool with that. It's time for tool number 5, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a free Chrome extension that helps you optimize your YouTube videos for SEO. You can use TubeBuddy to see the competition level on YouTube's the first page for the keywords, which leads us to tool number 6, WordTracker Scott. WordTracker Scott takes kind of unique approach to keyword research. Instead of entering keywords into a tool, WordTracker scans a page and finds keywords that showed up over and over again. That way you can go over to one of your competitors' pages and grab the keywords that they're already using in their content. You can even sort the list of keywords by opportunity, which are terms that have the best ratio of search volume and competition. And now it's time for SEO tool number 7, the Google Search Console. No list of SEO tool would be complete without talking about Search Console. Why? Well, if you take a step back, Search Console is actually a pretty feature-rich piece of SEO software. Unlike almost every other tool in the market, the data that you get comes straight from Google, so you know it's legit. For example, you can use Search Console as a rank tracker to check your site's ranking in the SERP. You can also use it to get a feel for a site's backlink profile. Now, it isn't nearly as good as a paid tool like Ahrefs, but it's not terrible. Last but not least, you can see all of the pages that your site has indexed in Google, and if you have any technical SEO problems that are holding your site back, which lead us to tool number 8, Answer the Public. Most keywords research to get their data from the same exact place, the Google Keyword Planner. Answer the Public is a little bit different. This tool focuses on questions that people ask on forums, chorus, Reddit, blogs, and on social media and turn those questions into awesome keywords. My favorite feature inside of Answer the Public is that they have a section dedicated to versus keywords. So why is this helpful? In my experience, versus keywords are great for SEO. That's because versus keywords really aren't super competitive. And the people that search for versus keywords tend to be pretty advanced, which means they're usually close to buying something. Like I said, versus keywords are not usually competitive, which is why I was able to rank my previous project BStack in the top 3 with a few weeks. And now it's time for our last tool, SEO tool number 9, Animals Revive. Animals Revive helps you find old content on your site that needs an update and upgrade, or both. Before this tool came along, you had to manually find this page on Google Analytics, and it was a huge pain. But with this tool, you get a list of pages that need some TLC, even shows you how many visitors you're losing by not updating your old content. So before you end this video, I've got a quick bonus tool for you, Siteliner. Siteliner is a free technical SEO tool that scans your site for SEO problems like blocked pages, messed up redirects, duplicate content, and broken links. You can even drill down into each page on your site to see if the tool found any issues. You can also compare your site's loading speeds and page size to other sites in Siteliner's database, which is helpful for benchmarking. So that is my list of my 9 favorite SEO tools. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Now I want to turn it over to you. Which tool from today's video are you going to try first? Are you going to try trending keywords using exploding topics? Or optimize your video with TubeBuddy? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now.